With way less than 500 subscribers, I can confidently say that YouTube has completely changed my life. Let me explain. 2 years ago, I was just a high school math teacher teaching geometry to kids that could care less about what I was saying, regardless of the topic or subject. Fast forward to today, I'm now working for one of the largest real estate brokers in the country. I am editing for one of the biggest and best fantasy football YouTubers on the platform. And I started a digital marketing agency with one of my good friends, and we were able to grow and scale that company in 2024 and continuing on into 2025. While all of those attribute to where I'm at now, the success was in the day-to-day grind in up-leveling my skill set, and this came courtesy of YouTube. When I first started with the real estate company, we were at 1,000 subscribers, and at one point we got up to 20,000 subscribers. When I started editing for the fantasy football YouTuber, he started out at the time I was brought on, he had 45,000 subscribers. He's now surpassed 150,000 subscribers in just about 2 years. Doing all of this has taught me so much about the consistency, how to prepare, edit, shoot, script, and deliver YouTube videos, the behind the scenes of what it takes to work with the brand, work with the company, become an affiliate for, some of these major corporations, getting a raw, real behind the scenes experience, holding the camera in some of the largest real estate transactions that I've ever witnessed. All of these moments have been just mind-blowing. Like, I was able to take a private jet to Miami because I was holding a camera. All of this opportunity, all of this came because I decided to take a leap of faith and leave the classroom for a job that didn't even exist. But I'm so glad it happened this way because honestly, legit, YouTube has changed my life. And one of the biggest reasons I'm making this video and all future videos is that I noticed there was a gap. There was a gap in my skill set of, one, being able to communicate and express my thoughts effectively. And number two, some of the editing style, my style of shooting, my style of editing, my style of storytelling, there was a gap. There was things missing that I know that I'm capable of, but I'm not there yet. And so this is my playground. While in years past, this has always been one of these moments that I've held to such a high standard of, I got to make sure my studio is perfect. I got to make sure I have the perfect camera. I got to make sure I have the perfect lens. Is the lighting good? Is the production high quality? And what I started to realize, and maybe this is just the TikTok effect, or maybe this is just me getting older. Maybe this is more experience in the actual business of content, but I realized none of that was important. The important part was showing up every day. The important part was making these business connections and networking and putting yourself out there and doing things that make you uncomfortable because that pushes you to the next level. And that's what this is. This YouTube channel is a direct reflection of all the growth that I've had over the last 2 years in making videos and making them better each time. And so this is my playground. This is my public place where I can share and help you make better videos because this is what I enjoy doing. The real estate stuff's cool. The editing is cool. The fantasy football stuff is amazing. Helping local businesses market their company is cool. But I enjoy trying to level up and make my videos and the videos that I make for other people better. And that can come with tools. It can come with tech. It could come with how we edit. It can come with how we light. It can come with the filmmaking, hat. It could also come with the business strategy hat, the human psychology of making videos and getting viewers to stay and watch your videos. This is what this channel is about. This is how YouTube has changed me and my life, and everything that I do now is designed to become a better storyteller. It's designed to become a better filmmaker. It's designed to become a better businessman, a better man in general. So if you vibe with that, if you resonate with any of this message whatsoever, this is going to be a channel for you. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, and we will just go off into 2025 to level up your content, level up your videos, whether, again, software, tools, AI, lighting, gear, camera, lenses, technique, psychology, all of the things that go into making better videos. That is my passion. That is what I'm doing. This is my playground. Let's build a community about people that want to do the same exact thing. The real estate brokers that I work for, they have this philosophy of you're going to attract your tribe, and your tribe will come and work with you. So they are amazing recruiters, and they are amazing at growing and building their team to sell real estate for their company. In a way, this YouTube channel is me selling myself to you guys to attract people who want to do something similar. And so the only prerequisites and the only things that you need to have in order for you to even hit that subscribe button is you got to be willing to show up and be consistent. When you're making videos, you want to focus on the viewer, not on you. There's been too many times and too many instances where I get caught up in selfish moments and I want to share things about me for me, but that's not the game. Right now I'm talking to you because I want to help you. You're watching this because you want help with something. It doesn't matter what that something is. For this specific channel, that's going to be about making better videos. But something that I've learned along this journey over the last 2 years, in order to make better videos, you have to be better, plain and simple. And so you need to do the things necessary to improve you, improve your health, improve your mind, improve your capacity for learning, improve your fitness, improve your relationships so that you show up better on camera. Treat every video as an opportunity to connect to one person. So in this specific example, I'm connecting to you and I appreciate you for being here. Not every video is going to slap. Not every video is going to hit. You're going to have videos that don't do well. That's why I'm calling this my playground. If this video gets 1 view, it's just a playground. If it gets 1 million views, it's just a playground. It's just a means to improving and leveling up your skill 1 video at a time, 1% at a time, so that you show up better the next time. I'm very excited for this next step and this next branching out into a place of discomfort because I know this platform, I know what it's capable of, I know what it's able to do, and I'm so excited that I'm able to do that with you. If you're still here, thank you.